Ever dreamt of ditching the hassle of international payments? Imagine sending money overseas with ease, managing multiple currencies, and streamlining your global business operations. That's the magic of airwallex. But before you jump in and start sending invoices across borders, there's one crucial step: getting your airwallex account approved. And let's face it, the waiting game can be a real drag. So, how long does it actually take to get that coveted green light from airwallex? Fear not, fellow business globetrotters. Today, we're diving deep into the world of airwallex account approvals. We'll crack the code on processing times, explore ways to potentially expedite the process, wink, wink, and uncover some handy tips to ensure a smooth application journey. The official timeline. Airwallex themselves are pretty transparent about their approval process. They state that once you submit all the required information, your application will be reviewed within a time frame of 1 to 3 business days. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, there's always a but. While 1 to 3 days might seem like a breeze, it's important to remember that this is just the base estimate. There can be external factors that influence the processing time. Factors affecting your wait time. Missing documentation. Airwallex is all about security and compliance. If your application lacks any crucial documents, like business registration proofs or identity verification, it can lead to delays. Ensure you double-check their checklist and have everything scanned and ready to go. Business complexity. The nature of your business can also play a role. If your operations involve high-risk industries or complex financial structures, airwallex might require additional scrutiny. This can extend the review period. Holiday season blues. Just like everywhere else, airwallex experiences seasonal fluctuations. During peak periods like holidays, the volume of applications might increase, pushing back processing times a tad. Tips to streamline your application. Be prepared. Gather all the necessary documents beforehand. Don't wait until the last minute to scramble for missing pieces. Accuracy is key. Double-check all your information for accuracy. Typos and discrepancies can trigger delays for verification. Get in touch. If you have any questions or require clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to airwallex's support team. Consider your business structure. If you foresee any complexities with your business model, be proactive. Explain your operations clearly within the application and be prepared to provide supplementary documentation if needed. Remember, while we can't guarantee a specific time frame, following these tips can definitely improve your chances of a smooth and swift approval process. Beyond the wait. Once your airwallex account is approved, a world of financial possibilities opens up. From streamlined international payments and multi-currency management to automated FX conversions, airwallex can be a game-changer for your global business. But remember, fellow entrepreneurs, the wait is just the beginning. With the right approach and preparation, you can sail through the airwallex approval process and unlock the key to hassle-free international finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy global business ventures.